I have hit a big milestone here on YouTube. So in today's video, we are gonna have some fun and celebrate. I can't even believe it, but I reached 1,000 subscribers here on my YouTube channel of DIY Freeze Dry, and I'm so excited. I first wanna thank all of you, every single one of you who have subscribed to my channel, who has been following along on my fun freeze drying journey. It has been a blast. I'm having so much fun making freeze drying videos, sharing with all of you my wins and my fails, all the things here in the freeze drying world. To thank you, I'm going to be doing a giveaway. I will tell you the details of that giveaway at the end of the video. So be sure to stick around to the end so you can learn how to enter the giveaway to earn some fun goodies. One of my most frequently asked questions is, what's your favorite freeze-dried candy? And I always have a hard time answering that question, but definitely one of my top favorites are soft caramels. These puff up so beautifully and delicious, melt in your mouth, so good. We're gonna do these today. My other favorite that is definitely a top seller when I do local events are sour Skittles. These are so good freeze-dried. Yum. We've got 3 more candies. These are all ones that I have not done before. I saw these at Walmart. They are sour gummy bears. They just sounded so good. I mean, I think they're gonna be good, not freeze-dried, but freeze-dried. I think this could be super fun. I've done gummy bears one time and they turned out okay. They didn't, in the time that I did it, turn out super like puffy and crunchy. They crunched up, but wasn't a top fave, but I gotta try the sour ones. That'll be fun. Also, I found these at Walmart. I absolutely love these fruity Tootsie Rolls. They're like my favorite thing in the kids' trick-or-treat bags when they go trick-or-treating. These always end up in there and I steal them from my kids' candy bag. You know, these are good. The last thing that just looked fun was this fruit gummy mix. We're gonna see if these freeze dry. It looks like there's frogs, airplanes, alligators, and robots. So we'll try some of these. As I always do, I'm gonna show you the settings that I am using for my candy today. So we're gonna go into customize. To go into candy mode, you increase your drying temperature. I'm gonna go up to 145. I turn off fast mode, dry time. I am gonna do this run for 3 hours. It's a little different. Normally I do it for 4 hours just because, I don't know, I've had good success with 4 hours, but we're running late on daylight today. Well, daylight lasts forever here in Alaska, but daytime, I'm running short on time. So I'm gonna do this in 3 hours so that we have time to do our taste test before we go to bed tonight. Cause you know, who doesn't love to get hyped up on sugar before you go to bed? Probably not the best idea. Anyway, these top 2 settings you do not need to worry about when you're in candy mode. It skips all of the freezing. So you don't even need to zero it out. You just ignore it. I'm gonna hit save, start, and we will wait our 15-minute cooldown and get our candy loaded on the trays. For the caramels, I am just going to unwrap them and cut them in half. These do puff up really big, so it's best to cut them in half. There's the caramels. I like to have them nice and spread out because they definitely do puff up. I'm gonna get the Skittles on here. Just spread those guys out a little. And then we will grab the next thing. Gummy bears, I'm just gonna do similar to the caramels because I think they will puff up decently. Spreading these out now. Here's these cute little guys. My favorite gummy bear is the white gummy bear, so I'm super excited to try that one. I am just gonna unwrap some of these, and then we'll also get those gummy animals on this tray too. These look delicious. I have no idea what these are gonna do in the freeze dryer. I have never freeze dried them before or seen them done, so that's gonna be a surprise. Look how darling these are. I'm now regretting not saving more room on the trays to do more of these, but these are so cute. I can't wait to see what these look like. All that's left is to get these in the freeze dryer. So, let's see. Okay, I'm super embarrassed. I was filming me loading the candy into the freeze dryer, just talking away as I'm loading up the trays. And by the time I got done with everything, realized my camera had died and stopped filming at some point. I don't even know what point that was, that it lost the footage. So I am so sorry about that. Let me just explain to you quickly what I did. After you load up your candy and shut the door, I close my drain valve, which is over here, and then in the drying process, there's a red little toggle button that says high temperature candy mode, on or off. You click it so that it says on and it's green, and then you hit continue or start. It'll ask you if you want to warm the trays. I hit yes and just did it for a few extra minutes, and then it does everything for you. That's the part you missed being filmed, so sorry about that. But we've got 5 minutes left and these are ready to come out. I do want to let you know that if you are interested in making freeze-dried candy or any of the other amazing things you can make in your freeze dryer, I have an affiliate link with Harvest Right in the video description below. You can click there, that'll take you to their website where you can shop for freeze dryers or accessories. I also will link all of the extra accessories that I used in today's video. I will show you the silicone tray liners that I use that I put my candy on. I got those from Amazon. The candy I purchased at Walmart. Normally Amazon is the easiest way to buy things. It comes right to your door, but in Alaska, Amazon takes a few days up to a week sometimes to get stuff. So, but all this candy can be purchased on Amazon. I will link that for you if you're interested in any of these, trying these specific candies that are so good. I will also link my favorite candy bags that I like to use to package my freeze-dried candy. These can be purchased on Amazon too and come in a variety of colors and sizes. While I'm waiting for the last couple minutes, I will just show you what those bags look like when the candy is packaged. I like them because they have a clear window, you can see what's inside, and then it has a zip top so that it is resealable, and I use the Harvest Right heat sealer to just heat seal the top. But most all of the candies fit in here just great, and they work out really good. Our freeze drying process is complete. I am going to open the drain valve, and I'm going to select defrost, and that is going to shut the machine down. All right, my helper is going to help me open the door. There we go. Okay, let's look at this. This looks so cool. Oh my goodness, can you see back there? It's like touching the roof, one of those gummies. Holy cow.
I can't see it.
Hold on, back up. Back up. See what I mean when I say the caramels totally expand? This was them cut in half and they are still enormous. All right, here are the sour Skittles. These always turn out perfect. Love those. Here's the gummy bears.
Oh, on my gummy bear.
You can see a lot of them puffed up nice, some of them not so much. Let's set these down. Okay. The Tootsie Rolls expanded a little bit, not much. But oh my goodness, these are so funny. This little guy did not do anything, but there's our other fun characters. Holy cow, how do those look, Lincoln?
Good.
Really good? Here's all of our beautiful candy. Are you ready to do a taste test, Lincoln?
Yes.
Let's head upstairs to do a taste test. What time is it, kids?
1,000 subscribers. Celebration time.
Yeah, okay, good job.
And it's also taste test.
You can tell it's the end of the school year when our 2 art boards are completely covered with the kids' school projects. But it's been fun to just have all of their little special projects hanging on the wall. It's gonna need a refresh this summer though.
We still have a couple.
So how this is gonna work, I have our tray of freeze-dried goodies here. We are all going to taste the same kind at the same time. We're gonna give our vote on how about a rating of 1 to 5? 5 being best, 1 being bleh. Sound good?
Yeah.
Okay. First up is one of my favorites, the caramels. All right, ready? Mmm.
5.
That's how the inside looks. It's just fluffy, airy,
5.
light. 5. 5. Everyone's a 5? All right. These are bomb. One warning about freeze-dried candy, it's very messy. You get lots of crumbs, but the mess is worth the deliciousness. Okay, we're going for gummy bear. Sour gummy bear. 1, 2, 3.
5.
Mmm.
5.
I give it a 4. These ones, the ones that popped up actually did freeze dry perfectly. Like there's no gumminess inside of it. The flavor is awesome. I feel like freeze drying even like intensifies the flavor, don't you think? But these do get stuck in your teeth pretty bad. So that's the only reason why I give it a 4. But taste, 5. Okay, these are those funny gummy critters. I don't even know what was what after the freeze drying process. Wesley, I think yours was the alligator. That's the only one that I remember. Okay, let's try these.
5.
5.
You guys love everything. Some of these did not fully freeze dry. They're a little gummy in the middle still. They're still delicious and fun, but I give it maybe a 3.
A 5.
He gives it a 5. Next, we're going for the sour Skittles. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
5.
5.
5.
10.
The Skittles are just crunchy and delicious, like a perfect crunchy texture. So good. Love those. Okay, last but not least are the fruity Tootsie Rolls. Let's go for these. Oh, boy.
Oh, God. I can't even eat it.
4.
10.
I'm sorry you can hear all that crunching. Okay, the kids had mixed opinions. Lincoln, you said a what?
4.
Wesley? Wesley liked it, 10. Bria told me a 3. I'm kind of with Bria on a 3. I like these regular freeze-dried. They're just very hard to chew. And sometimes some of the hard ones, they still will like melt in your mouth nicely and still like are fun to eat. These are just kind of hard to eat. So I'm gonna pass on these, but still fun. Glad we tried it. That was so much fun. I was surprised by some of those candies and they were so good. I hope you enjoyed it. On to the big giveaway announcement. I wanted to show you just how beautiful Alaska is looking now. Our snow on the mountains is almost all melted. Our leaves are green. Our grass is starting to grow back in. It's great, except it's a little cloudy and overcast the last couple days. I'm ready for some sunshine. I wanted to thank you guys, my awesome viewers, for being here and for being a part of my fun freeze drying journey by doing a giveaway for one of you guys. I am going to give you 3 bags of freeze dried candy along with some fun Alaskan swag. Alaska has the coolest little like stickers, souvenirs, like the cutest stuff. And so I want to share some of that with you guys, and I want to share some freeze dried candy with you. To enter, here's what you got to do. Number 1, you got to be a subscriber. So if you have not subscribed to this channel, just hit that subscribe button. That's the first thing you got to do. Second thing is leave me a comment. I just want you to tell me your favorite freeze-dried candy if you've tried it, or if you haven't tried it, what candy you would like to try that sounds best to you. Got it? I do want to put out a warning. When there are giveaways on social media platforms, there a lot of times are spammers who come in and try to take your information. Please know I will never ask for personal information for a giveaway. I won't ask for any type of credit cards or anything like that. All I would ever need is your mailing address, and that will come as a direct message from me, from my YouTube page, as a reply to one of your comments. So be on the lookout for that. If you get any messages or comments from someone who is not my exact name, DIY Freeze Dry, you know it's not me. So there's the warning there. But again, subscribe and leave a comment with your favorite freeze-dried candy or a type of candy you would want to try freeze-dried if you have never freeze-dried before. Thanks again to all of you for being here. I am just having so much fun. I'm glad that I've been able to share freeze drying with so many of you. I'm hoping to expand to many more as we can keep growing and just sharing the love of freeze drying with as many people as we can. So I will see you guys later on the next freeze drying adventure. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. See you later.